Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Wendy Ikoy. I am 32 years old, married, and from the Philippines. I have two children, a 16-year-old daughter and a 6-year-old son. I am hardworking, honest, patient, responsible, and trustworthy person. I don't smoke or drink, and I am willing to learn and follow instructions. From 2017 to 2019, I worked as a domestic helper for 2 years in the Philippines. I served one couple with two adult sons. My duties included cooking, cleaning, laundry, washing dishes and clothes, gardening, marketing, and other household chores. From 22 to 24, I worked as a nanny and caregiver. I took care of 5-year-old girl, a 6 years old boy, and elderly person. I brought the children to the school using motorcycle and assisted them with their daily needs. For the elderly person, I prepared meals, assisted with feeding, helped with daily care, and reminded them to take prescribed medicine on this time. I also did cleaning, laundry, simple cooking, washing dishes, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family and save for our future. If the given opportunity, I will do my best to take good care of your family and home. Follow your instructions and perform my duties with sincerity and dedication. Thank you, Mom and Sir. Have a nice day.